All right. Continuing with items recovered from Matthew Pahl's 2022 cell phone. Were you able to review his web browser history from that device?
Yes.
And were you able to see searches that he may have conducted on the web on that device?
Yes.
Okay, I'd like to put up for the witness only, please, 151. Do you recognize 151?
Yes.
What is 151, please?
151 is the search history from Mr. Pahl's cellular phone that was taken on September 17th, 2022.
Okay. And is this a document that you generated?
Yes.
How'd you do that?
We take, when we do the forensic download, it's like a Cellbrite is the program that's used. You're able to tag certain items you find for evidence or pertinent items to your investigation. And those items you can flag and then generate a report, which will just pull those out as opposed to the entire phone.
Sure. So he may have been searching for recipes or something, but that wasn't relevant to you, so you wouldn't flag that or tag it.
That's correct.
Okay. So there's other searches, but these are the ones that you thought were relevant to this investigation.
Correct.
Okay. Is this a true and accurate representation of the search history or the web history that you reviewed on Mr. Pahl's 2022 phone?
Yes.
Move to admit 151 and permission to publish, Your Honor.
Any objection?
No, sir.
It's admitted, and you may publish.
So in this exhibit, the date and time is actually in reverse order, correct?
Yes.
So that the most recent search he had completed prior to the phone being seized is at top, and then we're going to go down.
Correct.
Okay. So tell us what we're looking at here before we dive into this too much. Can you just explain the various columns, the ones that are relevant or that contain information?
So it'll show, it says title is that, I guess that second box or second column. That'll be the title of the website that a person went to. Then the URL will be the website itself. It'll show the last date that the website was visited, and then the next one will have the last visit. It'll also have the date and the time.
Okay.
And farther over, it goes through. It'll show source was Chrome. That would be the browser that they used to search. And then it shows evidence created, tags. That's us marking that as an evidence. And then it goes through the source file information. I can't speak to everything on the source file information on the fact that it comes from a Samsung.
Matthew
Pahl's
Pahl's device.
Correct, it was a Samsung.
Okay. All right, so we're going to go back over, and again, I'm not going to have you read all of these, but just kind of start with first page here, and let's kind of talk through this. These are all searches from the date of September 17th of 2022.
Correct.
And around the time of 12:27 p.m.?
Correct.
Okay. So the first one is a search for what?
It is a Waukesha County Obituaries.
Okay. Keep going down, please. Row 3.
Thelen, it's Thelen. Funeral services, it's a funeral home in North Prairie.
Okay. Couple of searches for the funeral home, correct?
Correct.
Then row 5.
Row 5 is it's search results for Pavlons.
Same thing in row 6.
Correct.
Okay, row 7.
Again with Waukesha County Obituaries.
Again with the funeral home.
Correct.
Okay. Keep scrolling, please. Okay, let's stop on row 10. That
was, it says dead body found by construction crew in Delafield, Waukesha County News, and it says gmtoday.com.
And what do you know GM Today to be?
That's the Waukesha, like Freeman?
Okay, that's their website?
Correct.
Okay. And when was that search occurring?
That is September 17, 2022. It says 12:22 p.m.
All right. Did you ever get a chance to review that article? Was there an article published in the Freeman related to this investigation?
Yes.
And it was available online as well?
Correct.
Did you ever get a chance to review that article?
Yes.
Okay, I'm going to ask to leave 151 for a minute and put up 159. Just for the witness, yes. Thank you.
It's up.
It's up, okay. Does this look familiar to you, sir?
Yes.
What is this?
This is the article from that URL that's searched.
Okay. And is this a true and accurate depiction of the information that was printed both online and I believe was in the print newspaper of the Freeman?
Yes.
Okay. I'll move to admit 159, permission to publish, Your Honor.
Any objection?
No, sir.
159 is admitted.
So we see the headline of the article, correct?
Correct?
And that's the exact way it was termed or phrased in Mr. Pahl's web history, correct?
Correct.
Okay, and then if we could scroll down, please. What's in the middle of that picture? What's depicted there?
That would be the overview of a location where the body was discovered.
Okay. And is this the entirety of the information that was published in this newspaper article?
Yes.
Merely says that a dead body was found and refers to it as a deceased person, correct?
Correct.
No identification made of who the person was,
No.
not even the gender of the person.
No.
And to your knowledge, sir, is this the extent of the information that was made known publicly by the Waukesha County Sheriff's Office?
Yes.
This was actually from a press release that went out, right?
That's correct.
Okay. At no time did you publicly identify the deceased as Stephanie Pavlons?
No.
No time did you ever say this was a deceased female in the woods, anything like that?
No.
Okay. No details other than this?
Correct.
Okay. All right. If we could please go back to 151, please. So we were on line 10. Again, please continue to scroll through the rows, please. More searches for Ms. Pavlons on the 17th.
Correct.
More searches for for the name Pavlons on the 16th.
Correct.
And obituary searches.
Correct.
Okay. Keep scrolling, please. Now we're on the date of the 16th. So appears from this almost every day these same search terms are being used. Pavlons, correct?
Correct.
Obituaries are being searched, correct?
Correct.
That same newspaper article is being searched, correct?
Correct.
Okay. Keep scrolling, please. Now we're on the date of September 15th. Exact same thing, right?
Correct.
Okay. Keep scrolling. The 14th, September 13th. Checking obituaries, checking the news articles,
Correct.
and checking on Pavlons, correct?
Correct.
Okay. Prior to this, or when all this web history is going on, you had not yet spoken to Matthew Pahl, correct?
I personally did not speak to Mr. Pahl at all in any interview. So I had never spoken with Mr. Pahl. No law enforcement had spoken with Mr. Pahl
Okay.
at this point.
No law enforcement at all? No, not Detective Fredericks, nobody from your department had interviewed him yet and said Stephanie was missing?
Correct.
Okay. Keep going, please. September 13th. Keep going. Now we're on September 12th, same types of searches. Correct. Obituaries, funeral homes, and the name of Pavlons, correct.
Correct.
September 12th. Keep scrolling, please. September 11th, same searches.
Correct?
September 10th, well, there's a search for a towing service on the 10th.
Yes, there is.
Okay. Did that have any relevance to your investigation, sir?
No.
Okay. September 10th, same search terms.
Correct?
Okay, now we're on line 58 or row 58. We're on the date of September 3, 2022,
Correct?
correct? Same search terms.
Yes.
Okay. Some other Google entries there, not relevant to this investigation, correct?
Those were storage
Okay,
searches, and at that point, we didn't know if there were storage locations that were pertinent or involved in anything with this investigation, so that at that point, in the beginning of this investigation, that was something that was flagged as evidence in case there could be anything
okay, I see.
later learned.
All right, what about row 62 there, the name of Richard D. or Rich Pavlons? What's the relevance of that?
Well, that's Stephanie's father's name, and I believe that was also her brother's name.
Her brother that passed away?
Correct.
Okay. And that was a search on August 31 of 2022?
That's correct.
Okay, keep scrolling, please. August 29th, same search terms.
Correct.
August 28th, Stephanie Pavlons,
Correct.
obituaries. August 26th, search for Stephanie Pavlons on line 71,
Correct.
and obituaries.
Correct.
And then we get to the end, which is August 24th, correct?
Correct.
Okay. And even Mr. and Mrs. Pavlons didn't know that their daughter was deceased until the date of September 12th, correct?
That's correct.
Detective Plennes, I'm now moving forward to the date of September 18, 2023. Is that date familiar to you?
Yes.
What happens on that date?
A search warrant was done at Mr. Pahl's residence, and he was arrested at that time.
Okay. And at that time, was a second cell phone device seized from Mr. Pahl?
Yes.
So he had a new phone in 2023 because you still had his old phone from 22, correct?
Correct.
Again, were you able, not you personally, but members of the sheriff's office, able to extract the data from that phone?
Yes.
For the witness only, please put up 155.
All right, it's up.
You see what's displayed there, sir?
Yes.
And do you recognize this? This is a list of files on from a digital folder, correct?
Correct?
And you recognize these items, sir?
Yes.
What is this?
This will be the tagged items or Cellbrite report for Mr. Pahl's cellular phone.
Okay. And was it the same process where members of the computer lab extract the device and then turn over the entire extraction to you?
Correct.
And then you're able to sort through it?
They download or extract the evidence from the information from the phone, and we're able to access it in the computer lab.
Okay. And that's what Exhibit 155 is?
Correct.
Okay. Moving to admit 155, but I don't need to publish it, Your Honor.
All right.
All right, 178 for the witness only, please.
Hang on one second. Do you have any objection to its admission?
No, sir.
Okay. It's admitted. Go ahead.
All right, 178.
All right, it's up.
Do you recognize 178?
Yes.
What is 178?
This will be the PDF report from screenshots or images that were found in Mr. Pahl's phone that was obtained in 2023.
Okay. And you generated this document?
Yes,
And as you've described for us earlier, was it the same process on your end that as you go through the phone, you tag or bookmark relevant items?
that's correct.
And then you're able to generate this report?
Correct.
Okay, if you could just go through the pages very quickly so he can verify. Okay. Is 178 a true and accurate representation of the screenshots or the images recovered from Mr. Pahl's phone?
Yes.
Okay. Move to admit 178, permission to publish.
Any objection?
No, sir.
It's admitted, you may publish.
Thank you. Sir, this is 6 pages long. We're not going to go through every one of these, but whether you need to refer to the report or just off of your memory, can you tell us generally what types of screenshots or images you found on Mr. Pahl's device that were of note to this investigation?
There was a screenshot of the scene of something that would have been on the news or a website from the news in regards to when we were on scene when Ms. Pavlons' body was located. There are screenshots of the Waukesha County medical examiners, Dr. Shield, I believe Dr. Bidzricki was in there. There are some images of medications, like a sertraline is in there. There was an image of undetermined deaths. There was a picture of Ms. Pavlons' driver's license. The Waukesha County Sheriff's Department press release that was sent out to the media the day that we located Ms. Pavlons' body was in there. There were some things in regards to, I believe, there's the picture of a prescription pill bottle that was, I believe, for Ms. Pavlons. There were some other things in regards to like coroners and such.
Coroners?
Yeah, coroners.
Like medical examiners?
Medical examiners.
Okay.
A picture of medication, another medication for Ms. Pavlons. And there was, I can't recall exactly, there's some type of Rule 23 for inquests, some type of law documentation.
And specific to like probable cause and search warrants, things like that?
Correct.
And these were images on his device as if he had perhaps they came through a screenshot?
Correct.
Okay. Circumstantial evidence?
Yes, that was one of them.
Okay. And again, these would have all been from the time of September of 22 through September of 23.
Correct.
So a full year after Stephanie's dead.
That's correct.
Okay. There's the medical examiners. There's Dr. Shield that testified for us the other day, correct?
Correct. There was the picture, like a screenshot of an injury, or there's a cut or mark or scar on a wrist, which was associated with an email from, I believe, Stephanie Pavlons to her mother.
Okay.
There were screenshots of CCAP or Wisconsin Circuit Court access. Unknown what was searched, but just a screenshot of CCAP.
Okay.
There was contact information for the Detective Bureau captain at the time. There were some duplicates.
think we get the idea there. Thank you. You can take down 178 and please put up for the witness only 179. And what is 179, please?
This is going to be the web history of Mr. Pahl's newer cell phone.
Okay. And this one also goes backwards, right?
That's correct.
From time date. And it starts September 11, 2023.
Yes.
And if you can move down to the bottom of the exhibit, please. Through September 15 of 2023, correct?
Correct.
Okay. And again, you created this by tagging the items as you went through the extraction?
Yes.
Is this a true and accurate representation of Mr. Pahl's search history on his 2023 cell phone?
Yes.
Move to omit 179, permission to publish.
Any objection?
No, sir.
All right. It's admitted, you may publish.
Start, sure, you can start at the bottom, that's good. So we're on the date of September 15, 2023, correct?
Correct.
All right, and we're seeing some searches for the Waukesha County Medical Examiner?
Correct.
Yes? Okay. Obituary, still searching for obituaries and Pavlons?
That was in August of 2023.
Okay. Searching about moving overseas in August of 2023?
Yes.
Okay. Obituary from August 16th of 2023 and a search for Pavlons?
Correct.
Okay. Searching about certain drugs?
Yes.
Okay. No, September 11th, back searching for the medical examiner?
Correct.
And then as you had described, searching about coroners and inquests and things like that, correct?
Correct.
Okay. All right, thank you. You can take down 179.